Most manufacturing IT failures don't start with hackers. They don't start with broken servers either. They start with IT services that weren't designed for how production actually runs. And when they fail, lines stop, shipments slip, and revenue takes the hit. Manufacturing companies in California rely on IT differently than most industries. Downtime isn't an inconvenience. It's a production stop. You can't always patch on demand. You can't reboot whenever you want. And availability usually matters more than perfection. That reality changes which IT services actually matter. Manufacturing exposes the gap between office IT and operational reality. A delayed email is annoying. A stopped production line is expensive. In California, the stakes are even higher. Power instability, wildfire risk, regional disruptions, and increasing compliance pressure. IT services have to be built around operations, not support tickets. Managed IT services are the foundation. But in manufacturing, they have to focus on prevention, not reaction. That means continuous monitoring, issues handled before outages, and changes planned around production schedules. The goal isn't faster ticket closure. It's fewer tickets in the first place. Predictability matters more than speed. Many manufacturers don't want to outsource IT completely. They want backup. Co-managed IT supports internal teams without replacing them. It provides escalation support, after-hours coverage, and specialized security and infrastructure expertise. This keeps knowledge in-house and reduces burnout and risk, especially when production doesn't follow a 9-to-5 schedule. Manufacturing is a prime ransomware target for one reason. Downtime creates leverage. Most attacks don't start with advanced techniques. They start with vulnerabilities and stolen credentials. Security services have to protect both IT and operational technology. That means network segmentation, strong identity controls, and monitoring that respects how production systems actually run. Forcing plant environments to behave like office IT usually backfires. Backups alone don't equal recovery. Manufacturers need to know how fast systems can be restored, which systems come first, and whether plans actually work. In California, recovery planning isn't just about cyber events. Power outages, wildfires, regional disruptions. Testing matters more than documentation. Manufacturing rarely goes all in on the cloud. And that's not a failure. Hybrid environments are common for a reason. Production systems stay stable. Business systems gain flexibility. Change happens deliberately. The real question isn't what can move to the cloud. It's what shouldn't. Networks are often the silent failure point. Plant floors, warehouses, and remote sites depend on reliable connectivity. When networks aren't segmented or resilient, small issues turn into production problems. Manufacturing-focused networking prioritizes reliability, visibility, and controlled failure. Compliance pressure keeps increasing. Frameworks like NIST and CMMC bring technical and documentation requirements. Risk management services help align controls, maintain documentation, and identify gaps early. Compliance only becomes a crisis when it's treated as an afterthought. Technology decisions don't happen in isolation. Strategic IT leadership helps translate technical issues into business risk. Budgeting, lifecycle planning, roadmaps align to production goals. The value isn't daily operations. It's avoiding bad decisions made under pressure. AI does have a role in manufacturing IT, just not where the hype suggests. Its real value shows up in monitoring, detection, and faster response. Behind the scenes, not on the production line. Problems start when AI spreads without governance. Visibility and control matter more than experimentation. Most manufacturers see the same warning signs. Recurring downtime, security gaps held together by luck, overloaded internal IT, projects that never finish. Stability comes first, then security, then recovery. Transformation can wait. Manufacturing IT works best when it stays boring. Systems run, issues are handled quietly, and leadership stays focused on production. That doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of choosing the right IT services in the right order with the right priorities.